Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best camera for portraits on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best camera for portraits. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. If you seek the finest camera for capturing stunning portraits, it's essential to streamline the vast array of choices into a more manageable selection. Whether you're a seasoned portrait photographer or just starting out, a dependable camera equipped with essential specifications such as ergonomic design, impressive megapixel quality, and portability is crucial. Here, you'll discover a curated list of efficient cameras tailored for anyone passionate about portrait photography. The options range from budget-friendly choices priced at around $600 to top-tier models with prices reaching up to $3,000. Let's get started. List number 5. Canon EOS R10. The enchantment of outdoor photography has always held a special place in my heart as a photographer, drawn to the grace and sense of liberation it brings. One of the most treasured outdoor photo shoots in my career involved a young mother and her 2 kids. The family's excitement and energy were palpable as we eagerly prepared for the day's adventure. Exploring a charming park, we ventured to find the perfect spots to preserve their precious memories. The gentle sunlight filtered through the rustling leaves, creating a beautiful play of light and shadows. I thoughtfully positioned the family against a lush, green backdrop to evoke a sense of relaxation and warmth, while the swaying leaves added depth and interest, enhancing the natural beauty of the scene. As the shoot unfolded, the family gradually relaxed, fully immersing themselves in the moment. The mother beamed with pride and love as her kids ran through the grass and gleefully played on the swings. My aim was to capture the genuine happiness and the boundless love shared in each and every frame. Among the plethora of pictures taken that day, one candid shot emerged as a personal favorite. It portrayed the mother and her kids cozily cuddled up on a blanket, surrounded by the sheer beauty of nature. The photograph perfectly encapsulated the warmth and affection of that fleeting instant, leaving me with a constant smile whenever I revisit it. For this exceptional shoot, I relied on the Canon EOS R10, indisputably the best camera for outdoor portraits, boasting professional-level autofocus and speed, along with remarkable 4K 60p imaging and 120p slow-motion capabilities at 1080p. Its exceptional performance surpassed other cameras within its price range, making it the ideal choice for capturing these precious moments with unparalleled precision and excellence. List number 4. Panasonic Lumix S5. As a photographer, my heart has always been captivated by the grace and romance of outdoor weddings. Capturing the essence of a loving couple amidst breathtaking natural scenery is an experience that holds a truly special place in my heart. Each outdoor wedding presents its own unique set of challenges and creative opportunities, making it a joyous adventure. One of my fondest memories was when I had the honor of capturing a stunning cliffside ceremony overlooking the vast ocean. The bride and groom exuded pure joy and love as they exchanged vows against the backdrop of the sky and the sea, creating a truly magical moment. Throughout the ceremony, I moved around, seeking the perfect angles to preserve their cherished memories. The sun's radiant glow and the play of clouds casting shadows over the water inspired me to create a warm, sun-kissed effect for the photographs. I skillfully utilized the interplay of light and shadows, adding depth and interest to each picture, infusing them with an ethereal quality. As the ceremony progressed, the emotions of the bride and groom intensified, overflowing with love and joy during their heartfelt vows. With every click of my camera, I aimed to capture and immortalize the love and happiness that defined their special day. For this unforgettable wedding shoot, I chose to use the Panasonic Lumix S5, renowned as the best camera for outdoor portraits, boasting a full-frame sensor with 24MP that excelled in various lighting conditions. The camera's exceptional features, sturdy build, and portability made it a reliable choice for capturing both still and moving images seamlessly. While the autofocus performance may have lagged slightly, the image quality more than matched up to its competitors, delivering impressive results that perfectly encapsulated the beauty and emotion of that remarkable day. List number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV. As a photographer, I've always been captivated by the allure of capturing portraits outdoors, where the seamless blend of a person's essence with the awe-inspiring natural backdrop creates a truly magical synergy. Every outdoor portrait session is a distinct experience, presenting both challenges and opportunities to unleash my creativity. One of the most cherished moments in my photography journey was when I had the privilege of photographing a delightful young family on a sun-kissed beach. Their infectious energy and anticipation filled the air as they prepared for our session. Together, we strolled along the shoreline, seeking the perfect location to immortalize their precious memories. As the session unfolded, the family gradually immersed themselves in the joyous atmosphere. Running along the sandy beach, playing amidst the refreshing waves, and cuddling on a cozy blanket, they shared authentic moments of happiness, laughter, and love. Among the plethora of captivating scenes I captured that day, there's one image that holds a special place in my heart. It features the parents standing hand in hand, watching their children play in the water with unadulterated joy and tenderness gleaming in their eyes. That photograph perfectly encapsulated the essence of the moment, preserving their love for eternity. Now, let me take a moment to introduce the Sony Alpha 7 IV, the reigning champion among hybrid mirrorless cameras in the market. This exceptional camera boasts class-leading autofocus, impressive image quality, and powerful video features, all ingeniously packed into one versatile body, justifying its higher price point. When it comes to outdoor portraits, this camera truly shines, offering unparalleled versatility that elevates a photographer's abilities in any given situation. Its remarkable flexibility extends to its video capabilities, making it an indispensable tool for all imaging needs. Despite its initially intimidating level of customization, using this camera is surprisingly straightforward once you become familiar with its features, enabling you to unleash your creativity and capture extraordinary moments effortlessly. List number 2. Fujifilm X-T4. As a photographer, the energy and excitement of outdoor sports photography have always been a driving force for my passion. Capturing the essence of a player in the midst of a game, surrounded by breathtaking natural scenery, is an incredibly special experience. Each outdoor sporting event presents unique challenges and opportunities for creative expression. One of my most treasured outdoor sports experiences involved young children playing football in a lively park. Their palpable excitement and vigor filled the air as they eagerly anticipated the game ahead. I carefully positioned myself in various locations, seeking the perfect vantage point to freeze their precious memories. With the sun shining brightly and the trees casting beautiful shadows on the grass, the scene was truly picture perfect. As the game unfolded, the children became increasingly immersed in the match, tackling, kicking, and running with infectious passion and intensity. In every shot, my aim was to capture these distinctive moments, encapsulating the enthusiasm and exhilaration of the game. For this extraordinary shoot, I relied on the Fujifilm X-T4, which proved to be the best camera for outdoor sports photography. This APS-C mirrorless camera is currently leading the pack, thanks to its superior handling, in-body image stabilization, quieter shutter, and significantly longer battery life, making it a favorite among photographers and filmmakers alike. In conclusion, this top-tier camera offers a plethora of features suitable for various photography needs, including exceptional low-light performance. With its fast autofocus system, rapid continuous shooting speed, and excellent image sensor, it effortlessly delivers remarkable results. Additionally, it boasts the ability to record stunning 4K video, making it a versatile and exceptional tool for outdoor sports photography and beyond. The Fujifilm X-T4 has undoubtedly elevated my outdoor sports photography to new heights, allowing me to capture moments that will be cherished for a lifetime. List number 1. Canon EOS R. As a photographer, I couldn't contain my excitement when the opportunity arose to capture an outdoor portrait for a renowned lifestyle publications cover. This was a moment of immense significance for me, and I was determined to create an image that would perfectly embody the spirit of the magazine's brand. The subject of the photoshoot was a young, up-and-coming actress renowned for her natural beauty and carefree style. We carefully curated the setting in a lush botanical garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and foliage, creating a truly picturesque backdrop. On the day of the shoot, we were blessed with ideal weather, clear blue skies and warm sunlight that cast a beautiful glow on the scene. I posed the actress in a relaxed and natural stance, nestled gracefully amidst the blooming flowers. To infuse the picture with depth and interest, I artfully played with the interplay of light, shadows, and reflections. As the shoot progressed, the actress fully embraced the moment, allowing her genuine self to shine through, resulting in lively and captivating shots. Her laughter, elegant twirls in her dress, and various poses were all beautifully captured, adding a touch of magic to the images. For this extraordinary shoot, I relied on the Canon EOS R, which is undoubtedly the best camera for outdoor portraits. This full-frame mirrorless camera boasts an impressive 30.3 MP of sharp imaging and grants access to Canon's remarkable RF mount lenses. While it may have some minor limitations, like a single memory card slot and cropped 4K video, its overall performance was truly exceptional, making it the perfect choice for this unforgettable project. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.